Hello! Just before Christmas, the people at YouTube sent me an email about this milestone reached. 500 subscribers to my channel, which is about music and contains a growing series of video tutorials. So, let me thank you for your views and being the first 500 subscribers. Without you, obviously, there would not have been this achievement. Regular viewers know the channel has a playlist with composition and arranging techniques.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
A lot of effort goes into the preparation of these extended tutorials. A good idea first becomes a well-structured script. That in its turn is the starting point for creating graphics and diagrams, annotated and animated score fragments, audio examples, and finally a movie with a voiceover. Let's proceed with some New Year's resolutions. I will continue the video production series on harmony tension control and chord classification. There will be more on the Schillinger system and atonal music composition techniques. I am planning to add online multimedia resources to the music analysis and arranging books in my webshop and offer more free content in my website library. Be aware that there also is the option to become an online student. I grew up in a privileged part of this planet, where I was free to study and live my curiosity and passion for music. Here and now, 50 years after the taking of the visionary Earthrise photograph, I feel an urge to share knowledge and contribute to the stimulation of human creativity on Earth. So I hope you will join me. Visit my channel also next year. Happy New Year and thanks for watching!